Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we've got two pretty big daily and weekly levels, and the first one is right where we are now, which is 35.50, 35.51, and the other one is this 35.95 area. So these are the previous swing highs. For me, this here was a range. We can take either of these two swing highs at the top of the range. Okay, so for me at the moment, this here, double bottom range break. Okay, it's been a messy range break at the moment with sellers coming in off the top, but there is potentially some structure forming here. Okay, now before we get down the lower time frames, let's just look at the weekly. If the weekly closes like it's closing now, like it looks now, that is a bearish pattern, gap up. It's a piercing pattern on the weekly. We're looking for a pretty strong move back to the downside. Okay, if the bulls come in today and they manage to defend, firstly last week close, then this fractal here 35.50, and ultimately if they can defend 35.95 or 3600 area, that's going to be a bullish signal. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment which we need to pay attention to, I think is the best way to put it. So we are below the moving average at the moment. We sort of sideways though. So if you look at the 3 hour, we are sideways. We found some support yesterday, had a pretty strong move up, and then a bit of a meltdown into the close. And you'll see that on the 1 hour. So pretty similar to the previous day. We had this meltdown into the close, and then a second stab down. You can see we closed up, moved up, new higher highs, and then meltdown into the close, gap down, further meltdown, and since then we're going sideways. So for me at the moment, I'm not sure I want to get myself involved in this. The Nasdaq does look like it's holding up, and remember the Nasdaq drives the S&P quite harshly. So that's the one area that I'm looking at. But yeah, when we're sideways like this, I don't really like trading it, and we are sideways until we break through. And for me, the breakthrough for the long is going to be up here at 35.95. If we can get above that and hold it, then I'd be looking at the long. At the moment, we are sideways, lots of tails, big ups, big down, big confusion. I think it's probably wise just to stay out of this. There are one or two opportunities on the forex market which are worth watching, but on the indexes so far this morning, nothing much that I've seen. Anyway, that's it for me, short and sweet. Hope it helps you somewhat, but I'm sure we'll pick up something on Monday. Stay safe, enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.